Well, from agencies, what we are gathering is that SEBI action is coming in for the SME IPO investment bankers. As per the agency's report, roughly 6 investment banks are actually under the question. However, the names have not been disclosed yet. SEBI is worried about the malpractices which are happening in the SME IPO space, and that's a cause of concern which we had already raised at ET Now as well. At least half a dozen of them have come in, especially on the fees part. It's expected that they have charged roughly 15% of the IPO size, the raising fund, and the market trend that suggests roughly between 1 to 3%, which is much higher and prevalent in India. Also, the higher fees might be charges to shore up high subscription numbers also, and the bids, they might not be genuine and might have been cancelled before the allotment as well. Now, SEBI is looking to curb this nexus when it comes to the investment bankers and the investors and the HNIs who might be operating these issues. Also, the SMEs, if you look at it, they have raised almost 6,000 crores in FY24 as compared to just 2,200 crore rupees in FY23. Also, there has been a lot of commentary coming in from market folks, especially SEBI's whole-time director, Ashwini Bhatia. He had also spoken about all the people like merchant bankers, chartered accountants to advise on a right basis for the SMEs when they come for their listing. And also Ashish Kumar, MD and CEO of NSE, they have stated that the stricter guidelines would be appointed. Of course, in the SME space also, there are certain stocks which would be in focus. A lot of trouble brewing in the SME IPO space. Recently, Trafsol IT Tech, the BSE had deferred the listing of this SME company. And of course, this was the first company after the subscription. There has been a deferment. It was subscribed almost 345 times. Also, the merchant banker for this was Ekadrish Capital. Also, Archit Nuwood would be in focus. The IPO was delayed due to the queries raised by the exchanges, especially on the company's profitability going against its peers. Its merchant banker was Share India Securities, and over here, look at their issues in 2024. The names include VVIP Info, GEM Environ, AVP Info, as well as Pune E-Stock. Also recently, Resource Automobile, a 12 crore IPO which had come in, huge subscription of almost 400 times. Now the stock is trending almost 40% down at 72 rupees against its IPO price of 118 rupees. And a lot of instances are also there, especially like Verinium Cloud and Ad Shopee Retail, which have been removed from the SME platform. So this is a very kind of a shock coming in when it comes to the SME IPO ecosystem. But the cleanup is happening. That's what we are taking our stance at ET Now.